Welcome back. Now, the Supreme Court has issued notices to NTA, the National Testing Agency, and all of the stakeholders in the case pertaining to the NEET examination. The Supreme Court that was hearing multiple petitions linked to the alleged paper leaks and rigging and malpractices in NEET examination, and also a petition seeking a CBI probe in the case. The top court has now issued notices to all the parties and will be heard next on the 8th of July. Let's get you a breaking update. What we are getting to know with the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, once again has put out a post on the NEET controversy, which is ongoing, giving another assurance to the students on the NEET issue. Let me go across to Sagarika now, because Sagarika, the Education Minister, has been time and again saying there is no issue when it comes to malpractices, rigging, or all of the allegations that have been raised.
All right, so the Education Minister has assured students, and he's just tweeted, he goes on to say, the central government is committed to protect the interests of NEET examinees. I want to assure the students that all their concerns will be addressed with fairness and equity. No student will be at a disadvantage, and no child's career will be at jeopardy. This comes at a time when the opposition is accusing the government of playing with the future of 24 lakh NEET candidates. Yesterday, you saw that decision that was taken with regards to grace marks. We are also getting in live inputs on this story. Amita, over to you.
All right, Sagarika, thank you for that. Meanwhile, on the other hand, when it comes to the assurance that is coming on part of the government and the minister, the protest continues over the alleged discrepancies. As the protests that have been taking place, as far as asking questions from the government and from the Education Minister himself, let me go across to Tetri now. Tetri, protests still continue.
Well, yes, the protest still continues, and in fact, the student, along with the students' representative, have gone inside. The pictures you see on your television screens are of the students and students' representatives who have gone to submit the memorandum to the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan. But here I am also being joined by one of the students' representative, Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia, and in fact, he was also the one who was protesting over here just out at Central Secretariat. What is your demand? You're asking for the conducting of, you're saying that the exam should be reconducted and a CBI inquiry should be set up in this entire matter.
Ma'am, our legitimate demand is that if everything is good, then why the CBI probe is not yet announced? NTA should immediately will be required to have started the CBI probe. Second thing, ReNEET should be there for all 24 lakh people.
And these are all the demands, and everybody has gone
inside. Yes. It's in the letter. We want ReNEET for all 24 lakh people. Okay. This 1500 matter of grace is just an eyewash by NTA, and I'm requesting the Honorable Supreme Court of India, please stop the counselling. If the counselling will not stop, the people who have
that's
taken...
the protest coming in on part of the assurance, however, that has been given by the Education Minister himself. The Supreme Court has also now waded in, of course, on part of the CBI probe. That petition is likely to be taken up very soon as well. With that, we head into a short break. Tejshri, thank you very much for joining in.